Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Pinterest login problem without VPN on your Pinterest app. All you have to do, you just click here on settings, then you come to settings window here in this window, then you just go down, then you click here on apps and you come to apps window here in this window, and you just go down here to looking for Pinterest app here in this window, then you click here on Pinterest and you just come here to app info and you just click here on force stop, then you click here on OK, then you go down, you click here on storage and you come to storage window, you just click here on clear cache, then you click here on clear data and you just go to Play Store. We will go to Play Store, we click here on Play Store and you search for Pinterest app and it's going to show for you like this, and you just click here on update and it's going to work with you. So that's all. I wish now you are get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.